Hello everyone, I am K.Sharma. आज मुझे इंग्लिश में बनाने दो वीडियो को, ठीक है? रहने दो, कट मत लो, मैं करूँगा. Hello everyone, I am K.Sharma. Good morning all of you. I have on my YouTube channel that you have to speak in English, so that's why I have to make one video totally in English. So I'm here for that and completely English, not ended. So remember, and I do not get a like and any comments that much according to the subscriber. So you must like, comments on my video, and if you have any doubt you can comment on, you can ask on the number. Number is that 6201947171. You can call me, you can hit me on that. Okay? Okay. Let's start the video. Today again I have come with the 2 plus v1 is called infinitive, and you have to remember that if you use an infinitive means 2 plus v1, that is called infinitive. You have to always use, and these days I am making all the videos based on infinitive, so remember. Okay, and let's come to the sentences. We will see how do we translate into English. Okay, come. First sentence is that गाड़ी नहीं आने वाली है, means the train is not to come. First one. Is that clear? Your subject is here, the train, then you have to use is because the subject is singular. So is not to come. Okay, next. क्या किरण आने वाली है? Is Kiran. You know interrogative you write, then you have to always write with helping verb. So here is helping verb is. Okay? Helping verb is you. So is Kiran to come? This is क्या किरण आने वाली, is Kiran to come. Next one. क्या वह आने वाला नहीं है? Is he not to? Again you got the interrogative sentence, so always you have to start with helping verb. Any sentence of interrogative. Got it? Okay, next. This is also type of interrogative, but you have to use the WH question first, because when you get WH word, then you have to use with WH question. Okay, so you have to write first WH question. What is the WH question here? Suman kab aane wali hai. That when is used as a WH question. When is Suman to come? Suman कब आने वाली है? When is Suman to come? Next. तुम क्यों नहीं आने वाले हो? Means क्यों is here also a WH question. Okay. So what is the English of this word? क्यों means why. Is that clear? Why are you not to come? So remember, you have to write, you have to complete like this all the sentences. And today I have come with the different sentences. So you can see all the sentences are different. So you have to remember the structure first, and if you don't know the structure, then you go through the video, you will get all the structures. Okay? Okay, next. So I did for you to better understanding once again. So remember, गाड़ी नहीं आने वाली है. The train is not to come. क्या किरण आने वाली है? Is Kiran to come. क्या वह आने वाला नहीं है? Is he not to come. सुमन कब आने वाली है? When is Suman to come. तुम क्यों नहीं आने वाले? When are you not to come? When are you not to come? This is the last sentence. Okay. Okay, thank you. And you must like, subscribe, comment, share. You must share. If you like my video, then you must share my video and you must comment. And definitely you will get such a video. So that's why you must press the bell icon. Thank you so much watching my video. Thank you so much. Why did I speak in this video? Always I made this video in English because I got the comments from the YouTube. That is my channel. That's why I decided no, I have to at least one video can be uploaded completely in English. That's why I have made this video. And how do you feel after listening me? Then you have to comment in this video that do you like to always listen me in English? Then definitely I'll speak English and all the things I will explain in English. Okay? So again, thank you so much for watching my video.